Sanibonani bafundi. Namhlanje sibheka amagama ayimibuzo. Today we are looking at question words so that you can identify what is required from you when you are reading a question. The keyword P or kuphi will mean where. Ni means what. As you can see, the dashes before the root word, it means that there's something that is missing before the root word. There's a prefix that is missing, which then depends on the subject that you are talking about. Ni means what. Nini is when. Ngaki, how many. Njani is how. Ubani, who. Nobani, with whom. Ngani, with what. Kungani is why. Na is do or are. P is which. Okay, so we are going to look at examples so that you fully understand how these question words may look in a question. Uhlala kuphi? Remember we said P means where or kuphi means where. That question means where do you live? Uhamba nini? Nini we said means when. When are you leaving? Unabantwana abangaki? Ngaki means how many. How many children do you have? Uhambe kanjani? Njani is how. How did you travel or how did it go? Ubani umngani wakho? Ni is who. Who is your friend? Uhamba nobani? Nobani is with whom. Who are you traveling with or who are you going with? Uzohamba ngani? Ngani means with what. With what are you traveling? Or what are you traveling with? Kungani uthanda i-apula elibomvu? Kungani means why. Why do you like a red apple? Uhamba nami na. We said na means or it means do. Are you going with me? Uthanda i-apula na. Do you like an apple? In an instance where na means do. Ufuna liphi ibhulukwe? We said P, another P would mean which. Which pants do you want? I hope you understood. Ngiyathemba ukuthi niqondisisile lokho ebesikubheka namhlanje. Salani kahle bafundi.